Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing a special dish from North Karnataka that is close to my heart. One of my favorite recipe from my grandma. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಒಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಸವಿನೆನಪುಗಳು ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ. ಅವರು ಒಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ I remember enjoying varieties of millets recipes regularly during my childhood. Millets have been a staple in North Karnataka cuisine long before they became trendy. All you need here is a regular pressure cooker or an electric pressure cooker, which I am using today. Cook all the ingredients mentioned in the comment below. Then prepare a seasoning to enhance the flavor of this pundi palya curry. Serve it with bread, any type of millet bread like jolad rotti or ragi rotti, adar jote or rice jote. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Enjoy your day.